Top Rod Ronnie. Just want to give you an update on what I'm doing. Rusty here. I got the floorboards in the trunk. They came out of a dumpster. Aluminum. Road may flood. I put the Holly filter, Holly blue pump. I had trouble getting it primed. Tried everything, and then finally I let it run so much in the driveway it was out of gas. Duh, I didn't know it. So got all that on it. It just had a little manual pump on it before, and I got the regulator. Well, there it is, regulator, little gauge. So now let's start this thing up. You can hear the pump when it cuts on this time. This thing's about ready to go down the road. Ignition. Another senior moment. Forgot to turn the damn on-off switch back on. See? On, off. That has to be on, idiot. For this thing to run, or anything else to work on it. Looks like you'd learn by now. Yeah, listen to that. That's serious.